Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is about the C++ operators. Upon completion of this video, you could be able to define and explain arithmetic operators, assignment, relational, logical, bitwise, and other C++ operators. Ano nga ba si C++ operators? So when we said C++ operators, yun yung mga symbol na nagpe-perform ng certain operations sa mga variables and values. Then we have here now the operators in C++ can be classified into 6 types. So una is si arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, and other operators ng C++. Start natin sa C++ arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators is used to perform arithmetic operations on your variables or data. Ang sample ng arithmetic operators are the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the modulo. And the modulo is the remainder of two values being divided. Ito yung sample program na gumagamit ng arithmetic operators. So, ang una nating ginawa is nag-declare tayo muna ng variable na A and B. So, ang data type nila ay int. After natin nag-declare ng A and B, nag-initialize ako ng value o naglagay ako ng value sa A ng 7 at sa B ng 2. Bababa yung program, mamimit niya si cout, ibig sabihin ng cout i-display. Ibig sabihin nun, kung ano yung nasa loob ng double quote, i-show lang niya. Kaya kung niran niyo yung program, napakita ko yung program, nagdi-display ang A plus B. A minus B, so siya yun, equal. A asterisk B equal. So, A divide by B equal, then A modulus by B equal sign. So, din-display lang niya kasi nasa loob ng double quote. Then, next we have A plus B. Kung titignan ninyo yung another element ng cout ninyo, wala siyang double quote. So, ibig sabihin, galing sa variable ang magiging content niya. So, pwede nyo nilagay dito, ang value na ngayon ni A ay 7, ang value ni B ay 2. So, 7 plus 2, ang answer dyan ay 9. So, tama. Next naman, meron tayong A minus B. So, ang value ng A, ang laman ni A ay 7 minus 2. So, the answer is 5. Then, next naman, 7 multiplied by 2, the answer is 14. So, tama. Then, sumunod, na arithmetic operators is divide. So, A divide by B. So, ibig sabihin, 7 divide by 2, ang sagot ay 3. Then, next naman, A modulus of B. Ibig sabihin ng modulus, pag dinivide mo yung A tsaka B, may remainder na 1. Ang nagiging sagot sa modulus kasi ay yung remainder. So, A modulus B, ang sagot dyan ay 1. So, always remember that modulus is the remainder. Then, this is now the process on how to increment and decrement operators. Pag sinabi nating increment, nag-i-increase ng value. So, pag nag-i-increase ng value, ang gamit dito na symbol is addition or plus. So, pag ang decrement naman is pababa ang value, ibig sabihin, ang gamit nating symbol dyan is minus. So, when we said A plus is equal to B, it is equal to A is equal to A plus B. When we said A plus plus, it is equal to A is equal to A plus 1. So, ang A is equal to plus plus A naman, equal din siya sa A is equal to A plus 1. And plus plus A, ganun pa din. A is equal to A plus 1. If you are using A plus plus, A is equal to plus plus A and plus plus A, nag-increment lang siya, tumataas lang yung value niya into 1. Pero pag gusto ninyong mag-increment siya into different value bukod sa 1, for example, 2, 3, pataas, you can use this increment operation. So, A is equal to A plus 5. So, ibig sabihin, yung increment ng A ninyo, nag-increase siya ng 5. So, next naman, let's move on the decrement operator. So, this is the opposite of increment. We have here A minus is equal to B. It is equivalent to A is equal to A minus B. Then, we have A minus minus equivalent to A is equal to A minus 1. And we have here A is equal to minus minus A. This is equivalent to A is equal to A minus 1. And minus minus A, this is equivalent also to A is equal to A minus 1. So, kung titignan din ninyo, if you are using A minus minus up to minus minus A, nag-decrement siya o nagbabawas siya ng 1. Pero for example, gusto mong magbawas siya ng 2 or more. So you can also use these operations or formula. So we have here a is equal to a minus 4. So ibig sabihin, nagde-decrement siya into 4. So ito naman yung program na gumagamit ng increment at decrement operations. Ginawa ko munang comment yung mga cout natin o yung mga line of codes natin na iba para makita natin o makita ninyo yung process per type ng increment at decrement na present kanina. So, start natin na we have the value of int a and b. So, ang laman niya ay 7 and 2 pa din. So, start natin ngayon sa a plus is equal to b. Pag niran ko yung program, makikita nyo dyan ngayon na a plus or equal to b, ang value niya ay 9. Kasi nga, diba, ang a plus or equal to b is equal to a is equal to a plus b. So, 7 plus 2 is 9. So, tama. Then, gawin ko ulit itong comment. So, pag a++ naman ang gamit ninyo, ibig sabihin ng a++, mag-a-add siya into 1. Pero yung pinakaunang a++ niya, hindi muna siya mag-a-add ng 1. So, static muna siya kung anong value siya. Pero yung susunod na a++ niya, dun pa lang siya mag-a-add ng 1. So, that is the use of a++. Kaya kung titingnan ninyo sa first na a++ niya, 7 pa lang. So, kasi ang a++ diba is a is equal to a plus 1. Pero yung pangalawang a++, dun pa lang siya magpa-plus 1. So, that is the a++. So, disable ko muna ito, a++. Then, enable ko naman yung isa pang sample. This is the second element. Tara natin. So, we have 8 and 9. So, yun yung pagkakaiba ni a++ kay a is equal to plus plus a. Pag unang increment pa lang, pag ang gamit mo a is equal to plus plus a, nag-a-add na agad ng 1. Kaya ka sa second increment niya, 9 na agad yung value. Hindi kagaya kanina na pag a++ ang ginamit ninyo, yung unang a++ niya, static o kung anong value pa lang ng a. Samantalang pag a is equal to plus plus a ang ginamit ninyo, unang increment pa lang, unang meet pa lang niya sa operation ninyo, mag-a-add na siya ng 1. Plus plus a. Saran ko yung program. So, ang plus plus a is kagaya siya ni a is equal to plus plus a. So, that is the difference. Pag nauna ang plus plus a, ibig sabihin kasi nun, una pa lang, mag-a-add ka na ng 1. So, disable muna natin. So, dito sa may sample, a is equal to a plus 5. Ibig sabihin dapat nito, mag-increment siya into 5. Kaya pag niran natin yung program, mapapansin na ninyo na yung a is equal to a plus 5, 12 na yung value niya. Kasi nga, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So, ang second increment niya, yung 12, magpla-plus 5 ulit. So, 12 plus 5, magiging 17 na yung value. Pag ang gamit naman ninyo ay decrement, papalitan lang ninyo ng minus itong mga value dito. Ibig sabihin, nung pababa naman yung value. For example naman, magde-decrement tayo into 2. Decrement naman na tayo. Sabihin natin nag-decrement tayo into 2. So, sa first decrement natin, a minus 2, ibig sabihin, 7 minus 2, ang value niya ngayon ay 5. Then, sa sumunod na pag-decrement niya, ang present value na ni A natin ay 5 minus 2. So, ang magiging value na ngayon ni A ay 3. So, that is the use of increment and decrement. Then, next, now we have the assignment operators. So, assignment operators is used to assign a values to a variable. So, for example, A is equal to 5. So, therefore, yung value na ng A ninyo ay 5. So, ito pa yung mga ibang assignment operators. We have the equal, plus equal sign, minus equal sign, multiply equal sign, the divide equal sign, and the modulus or percent equal sign. So, for example of equal sign, A is equal to B, ibig sabihin nun, si A ay equal kay B. Kung ano ang value ni B, magiging value ni A. Then, we have plus equals. A plus is equal to B. Ang equivalent niya is A is equal to A plus B. So, if you are using minus equals or A minus equals B, the value will be A is equal to A minus B. Pwedeng ganito ang gamitin ninyo or pwede rin na ganito. Then we have here another assignment operators, asterisk, equal sign, asterisk is for multiplication. So A multiply by equal to B. So A asterisk equals to B, terminator, is also equivalent to A is equal to A multiply by B. Slash equal A divide equal by B, terminator, is also equal to A is equal to A divide by B. Then the last one is the modulus equal. So, A modulus equals to B, terminator, A is equal to A modulus of B naman. So, this is a sample program of assignment operators. So, we have here the variable A, B, and temp na may integer na data type. So, nag-initialize ako ng value ng A is 2 and the value of B is 7. We have here temp is equal to A. Ibig sabihin nito, gumamit siya ng equal. So, ibig sabihin ko ano ang laman ni A, magiging laman na ni temp. Ang A natin is 2, magiging 2 na rin si temp ninyo. Magpapakita dyan na temp is equal to 2. Kasi, after niyang may pasa yung value kay temp, cout, temp na sa loob ng double quote, di-display lang niya. Then, another element ng cout ninyo, yung temp. So, ang laman na ngayon ng temp ay 2. So, tama. Then, next, bababa yung program. We have A plus is equal to B, terminator. Ang ibig sabihin ng plus equal ay A is equal to A plus B. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang value ng A natin ay 2, ang value ng B natin ay 7. So, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So, kaya pagbaba dito ng program ninyo, cout A is equal to, double quote, ibig sabihin, ipiprint, kaya A is equal to 9. The next will be the C++ relational operators. So, ang relational operators is used to check the relationship between two operands. The first one is the equal to. Pag gumamit ka ng equal to, dapat both left and right parehas. So, 3 is not equal to 5. So, therefore, false ang magiging sagot dyan. Then, next naman, we have the not equal. So, not equal is the opposite of equal to. So, for example, we have 3 not equal to 5. It give us a value of true. Bakit? Kasi nga, si 3 hindi siya equal sa 5. So, therefore, it is true. Then, next, we have the greater than. So, greater than is used to identify if the given value na nasa left is mas mataas kumpara sa nasa right. So, for example, we have here the value of 3. Yung 3 ba, mas malaki sa 5? 3 ay mas maliit sa 5. Kaya therefore, 3 is not greater than 5. False ang sagot. Then, next naman, we have the lesser than. If you are using lesser than, para maging true ang statement ninyo, titignan nyo ulit yung nasa left. If yung nasa left ninyo is mas maliit sa nasa right, then it will give you a true value. So, 3 is lesser than 5, then therefore, it is true. Then, always remember, if your operator is greater than or lesser than, start natin sa greater than. So, para maging true ito, kailangan ang nandito sa may right mo is mas maliit sa kanya. So, therefore, magi-start to sa 2, 1, pababa. Kasi pag ang nakalagay dito is 3, 3 is not greater than 3. So, dapat, para maging true ang statement, titignan nyo yung nandito sa right. Dapat mas mababa siya if you are using greater than. Mas mataas ang nasa left, mas mababa ang nasa right. Then, dapat dito mag-start siya sa mas mababa sa value ng nasa left. Then, next naman, lesser than, same. So, titignan nyo ulit yung nasa left. So, para maging true yung statement nito, kailangan mag-i-start yung value nyo into 4, 5 pataas. Kasi pag ang nakalagay dito is 3 lesser than 3? No, kasi equal yun. So, therefore, para maging true yung statement, dapat ang nakalagay dito sa may right ninyo is mas mataas kay 3. So, mag-i-start siya sa 4, 5 pataas. Then, yun yung pagkakaiba niya if you are using equal sign. So, for example, greater than equal to, pwede ka mag-start ng value niya na kagaya ng nasa left. For example, 3 is greater than or equal to 5. Para maging true yung statement, kailangan yung nasa right ninyo ay nasa value na 3, 2, 1. So, unlike dito, para maging true yung value, kailangan itong nasa right mo ay nasa 2, 1 pababa. Samantalang pag gumamit ka ng equal sign, pwedeng mag-start ang nasa right mo ng nasa 3 para maging true yung statement. So, 3, 2, 1 pababa. Then next naman we have the lesser than or equal to, less than or equal to. So 3 is lesser than or equal to 5. This is true kasi nga mas maliit yung 3. Yung true ito, kailangan yung nasa right value mo ay nag-i-start sa 3, 4, 5 pataas. Kasi you are using equal sign. So mag-i-start ang counting mo sa kagaya nung nasa left. Ito naman yung sample program na gumagamit ng relational operators. So, una, nag-declare ako ng variable na A and B. Then, nag-initialize ako ng value ni A na 3 and value ni B na 5. Nag-declare din ako ng variable na result. So, boolean ang type niya. Ibig sabihin, true or false ang kaya niyang i-read. So, we have here now yung result na variable. So, ang result ko na variable is equal to A equal kay B. So, ang laman ni A ay 3. Ang laman ni B ay 5. So, therefore, ang output dito ay magiging false. Kasi, ang 3 is not equal kay 5. Then, next naman, dito sa may result na sumunod, gumamit ako ng not equal. So, ang A ay 3, ang B ay 5. So, 3 is not equal to 5. Kaya, magiging true ito. Then, next naman, na sumunod na ginamit ko is the greater than. 3 is greater than B. So, mas maliit ang 3. So, ibig sabihin, false ito. Then, we have here now, result, ang value ng A ko ay 3, ang value ng B ko ay 5. Si 3 ba, mas maliit kay 5? True. Kaya, ang given na to ay magiging true. Then, dito naman sa sumunod, A is greater than or equal to B. Si A ba, mas malaki or equal kay B? False, kasi mas maliit si 3. Then, next naman, meron ditong A is greater than or equal to B. Ang A ko ay 3, ang B ko ay 5. Si 3 ba mas maliit kay B? So, true. Kaya magiging true ito. So, pag nirun natin yung program, ganito yung magiging sample output. So, we have here, 3 equal to 5 is, so, dinisplay lang niya yung 3 equal to 5 is, then yung value ni result. So, 0 kasi nga, false ang naging sagot. Kasi A is not equal to B because 3 is not equal to 5. Then next naman, here, 3 is not equal to 5 is true, kaya 1. Then dito naman sa sumunod, 3 is greater than 5. Ang value nito ay 0 kasi mas maliit ang 3. Kaya 0 siya, ibig sabihin false. 3 lesser than 5, 1 kasi nga 3 is true na mas maliit kay 5. Then 3 is greater than or equal to 5 is equal to 0. So ang result niya dito is 0 kasi nga si 3 is not greater than 5. Then samantalang dito 3 is lesser than 5 is true kaya 1 ang naging value ni result. So yan yung gamit ng relational operators. The next will be the logical operators. So when we said logical operators, it is used to check whether an expression is true or false. So, ito yung mga operator na ginagamit in terms of logical. So, we have the AND, the OR, and the NOT. So, if you are using AND, true only if all the operand are true. So, in short, pag ang isang expression ay nag-false, automatic na ang magiging output ng AND ay false. So, next we have the OR. True if at least one of the operand is true. So, ang ibig sabihin ng OR, pag ang isang expression mo ay true, automatic na magiging true yung buong statement. So, kahit isa lang ang mag-true, automatic true na yung operand ninyo o yung statement ninyo. Then, next naman we have the NOT. Ang NOT is opposite ng expression ninyo. For example, nagiging true ang operand ninyo kapag false ang sagot sa expression or operand ninyo. For example, ang expression nyo ay true. So, ano ang kabaligtaran ng true? Therefore, it is false. Ito yung logical operators na truth table. So, for example, we have a variable A and B. then we were using a AND operator, the answer will be true and true, true, true and false. So may na-meet siyang false, ibig sabihin, magpo-false na yan. We have here false and true, may false pa din, so therefore false pa din yung sagot. We have false and false, mas lalo, so false ang sagot. Basta laging tatandaan na pag AND ang ginamit, automatic yan na pag may nag-false na isang expression, lahat o yung buong expression ay magiging false. Then next, we have the OR. For example, we have also the variable A and B. Then gumamit tayo ng OR. True or true is equivalent to true. True or false, so mayroon siyang true, automatic magiging true. Then false or true, may true siyang na-meet, therefore true. Then false and false, dun pa lang siya magiging false. If the two expression is false, dun pa lang nagiging false ang OR. Then next, we have not. So not is the opposite. So we have the sample variable A, true, false. So for example, not true, syempre false. Not false, the answer will be true. Sample program. Then next, we have the C++ bitwise operators. So this bitwise operators is used to perform operations on individual bits. So magagamit mo lang siya alongside of character and integer na data type. So ito yung mga bitwise operators. We have the AND, binary OR, and the binary shift right. Ito yung mga sample ng bitwise operators na pwede nyong gamitin. But always remember, these operations are for individual bits only.